started our geometry part, I am going to teach you about triangle. Yes, today we will start our 26th lesson, that is triangles. Let's learn in this lesson more about the triangle.
Triangle. A triangle is a simple closed geometrical figure bounded by three line segments, that is three sided polygon, side xy, side yz and side xz, or also it can represent by small letters x, y and z. It has three vertices, that is x, y and z. It has three angles like angle x, angle y and angle z. We can read and write this triangle as triangle XYZ or triangle YZX or triangle ZXY.
Of a triangles, it's all three angles, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Always the sum of angles of a triangle is equal to 180. So these angles are called interior angles. Angle A, B, C are the interior angles. Student, when we are increasing any one side of a triangle, we are getting its exterior angle. So you can see here this ACB is a exterior angle. But as we know, angle A, B and C are the interior angle. Do you know, student? This exterior angle's value is equal to the sum of its opposite interior angles. As you can see here, angle ACB will be always equal to ABC plus CAB. ABC plus CAB. Same way, student, if we will increase the side AC up to the E, then we will get angle EAB. So angle EAB will be equal to angle ABC plus angle BCA. So this angle's value will be equal to the sum of opposite interior angle. So such a way we can find other exterior angles value also. So let's student, we will learn the types of triangles. So here we will learn the types of triangles according to angles and according to its sides.
Types of triangles according to their sides. First, equilateral triangle. Second, isosceles triangle. Third, scalene triangle. So these are the according to their sides. Now, types of triangles according to their measure of their angles. So first, acute angle triangle. Second, obtuse angle triangle. And third one is right angle triangle. So now let's learn the types of triangles according to their sides. First, equilateral triangle. An equilateral triangle is a triangle in which all three sides are equal. So see in the figure, side XY is equal to side YZ is equal to side XZ. All sides are 5 cm. So we can say triangle XYZ is an equilateral triangle. Second, isosceles triangle. An isosceles triangle is a triangle with at least two equal sides. You can see in the figure there is side AB is equal to side CA is equal to 7 cm. So the triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Now third one is scalene triangle. A triangle with all sides are different length is called a scalene triangle. Scalene triangle. So you can see in the figure PQ, QR and PR all are different lengths. So we can say that PQR is a scalene triangle. Now let's see according to their measure of angles. So first acute angle triangle. A triangle with all its angles acute or less than 90 degree is called an acute angled triangle or an acute triangle. You can see here all angles, angle L, M and N, all are acute angle. So we can say that triangle LMN is an acute angle triangle. Now obtuse angle triangle. A triangle with one of its angles obtuse more than 90 degree is called an obtuse angled triangle or an obtuse triangle. In this you can see one angle is 120 degree which is more than 90 degree means obtuse angle. So this triangle is called triangle IJK is an obtuse angled triangle. Right angled triangle. A triangle with one of its angles a right angle means a 90 degree is called right angle triangle or a right triangle. You can see in the figure its angle V is 90 degree. So we will say this triangle as triangle UVW is a right angled triangle. Now let's see some example from measures of their sides and angle. So we have to identify the given XYZ angle is 90 degree and we can say its XY and side YZ are equal. So this triangle is called triangle XYZ is a right angled isosceles triangle. Now in this figure angle is 110 degree and its two sides are equal. So that's why this triangle is called triangle MNO obtuse angled isosceles triangle. Now here in this triangle all angles are 60 degree and its all sides are also equal to each other. So we will read it. Triangle STU is an acute angled equilateral triangle.
So let's solve some example from the exercise. So question number 1. In each of the following find the marked unknown angles. Student, here two angles value is given. We have to find the remaining angles value. Student, as it is given angle A is equal to 70 degree, angle B is equal to 72 degree and angle C is equal to Z. So as we know, the sum of an angle of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. So angle A plus angle B plus C is equal to 180 degree. We will put the value. Angle A is equal to 72 degree, angle B is equal to 70 degree and angle C is equal to Z is equal to 180 degree. So 72 plus 70, 142 plus Z is equal to 180 degree. So Z value is 180 minus 142. So student, we got here Z is equal to 38 degree. So its third angle's value is 38 degree. Now student, let's see this example. Question number first, third one. In this given triangles, two triangles are there. In that we have to find the value of X. So X is in triangle ACD. In angle ACD, we don't have the value of angle D also and angle C also. First we will find the angle value of angle C. So as ACD is an exterior angle, so its value will be equal to the sum of opposite internal angles. So in triangle ABC. Exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of interior opposite angles. Okay, so angle ACB is equal to angle A plus angle B. You can write ACB is equal to angle ABC plus angle CAB. So we saw here angle C is equal to 105 degree, as we will put the value of both angles. Then now start, we got the value of angle C, 105 degree. Now you can see here in this triangle ACB, in this triangle we have value of two angles. Now we can find easily the remaining angles value. So now in triangle ACB, angle A plus angle C plus angle B is equal to 180 degree, because we know the sum of all three angles in a triangle is 180. So we will put the value 20 plus 105 plus x is equal to 180. So 125 degree plus x is equal to 180 degree. The next value 180 minus 125, we got 55 degree. So such a way you can solve remaining examples also. Let's see now second question. A triangle can together have the given angles if the sum of all three angles is only on 180 degree. If the sum of that angles are less than 180 degree, then also that angle will not forming a triangle. And if the sum of these angles are coming more than 180, then also it is not able to form any triangle. So let's see one example. So let's see this example. Given angles are 33 degree, 74 degree and 73 degree. Student, as we know the sum of angle of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. If these all angles will satisfy with this statement, then only we can say these angles are of a triangle. So let's say 33 plus 74 plus 73 is equal to 180 degree. So when we will do the addition, we got here 180 and this side also 180. So yes, the given angles can be a triangle. So such a way you can solve that remaining examples. Let's see question number 3rd. Find x if angles of a triangle are. Now student, in this we have to find the value of x. Given angles are 2x degree, 4x degree and 6x degree. So as we know the sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So 2x degree plus 4x degree plus 6x degree is equal to 180 degree. Now student, the addition of this all three, it is 12x degree. Okay, the addition of this all three angles is 12x degree is equal to 180 degree. Now x degree is equal to this 12 will go as a division, so 180 degree will divide by 12 degree. When we will divide it, we will get 15 degree. So the value of x is 15 degree. Fourth question. One angle of a right angle triangle is 70 degree. Find the other acute angle. Now student, as we know in a right angle there are two acute angles. So from that one angle's value they gave. So see here, this is the right angle triangle. One angle is 90 degree, one angle is 70 degree and third angle it is x. So that acute angle is x. As we know the sum of angle of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. So 90 degree plus 70 degree plus x degree is equal to 180 degree. 90 plus 70, 160 degree plus x degree is equal to 180 degree. So x value will be is equal to 180 minus 160 degree. So x is equal to 20 degree. Student, you can solve question number 5th and 6th. Let's see, we will solve 7th question. Find, giving reasons, the unknown mark angles in each triangle given below. Now see here, this triangle is given. Here, this triangle's YZ side is extended up to x. So it forms here one exterior angle 100 degree. So as we know student, in a triangle, if their exterior angle, if their one side is increased, if their one side is extended, then exterior angle is formed, and that exterior angle of that triangle is equal to the sum of interior opposite angles. Means this angle is equal to 2x plus 3x. So 110 will be equal to 2x plus 3x. Then 110 is equal to 5x. So value of x is 110 will divide with the 5. So we got x is equal to 22 degree. So here we have to know the value of that angles also. So in angle YMZ, this value is equal to 2x. So YMZ is equal to 2 multiplied by 22. Here we will put the value of x. So 44 degrees. So angle M is equal to 44 degrees. Same here YZM. This is 3x. So 3 multiplied by 22, we will get 66 degrees. So such a way, students, you can solve remaining example of this exercise. So in this part, we have learned that the sum of angle of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. And again, also we have learned that if any arc is extending, then we are getting the exterior angle, and that angle is equal to the sum of opposite interior angles. And also, student, we have learned types of triangles. Two types of triangles, means based on sides and based on angles. So take your homework. You have to solve the remaining examples of exercise 26A in your notebook. Thank you.